All right, guys, next up we got break number 6 of our super break, talking about playoff basketball one-box break. This is a random team break. Every spot gives you 3 random teams. You've got 1 premium slab buyback card per box. Chance to pull some big names from the NBA playoffs just a month or so ago, plus other big names like Kobe, LeBron, and others. So every spot gives you 3 random teams. Tony, you've got 2 spots in this. Jason's got 1. John H with 1. Kevin's got 1. Cade's got 2. And then David B, you closed us out with the last 3 spots. All right, guys, let's go ahead and randomize 30 teams. Not sure why, but I've got it on a Justin Bieber playlist. Don't judge me. Now it's 13-year-old Justin Bieber. All right, so every spot's going to give you 3 random teams. Let's go ahead and randomize this 5 times as well. All right, guys, so here is your list of teams. Cade, you've got the Cavs, the Mavericks, the Celtics, the Hawks, the Sixers, and the Nets. David, you've got the Thunder, the Heat, the Trailblazers, the Lakers, the Pistons, the Bulls, Warriors, Grizzlies, and Magic. Jason's got the Timberwolves, the Rockets, and the Hornets. John, you've got the Suns, Jazz, and Pacers. Kevin with the Wizards, the Kings, and the Clippers. And then Tony, you've got the Nuggets, the Raptors, the Pelicans, the Knicks, the Spurs, and the Bucks. Not bad. All right, so there are your teams. Break number 6. All right, let's see if we can pull something. I think I've got maybe 2 boxes left of this, and that'll be it for playoff basketball. So $15 a spot. Try to keep that super low. Oh, dude, this is cool. How about a Steph Curry 2015 Panini Excalibur? It's the camo, and almost got the 10 on that. That would have been even better. Thought these were numbered, but low pop for sure. Nice camo refractor. Cool hit there for Golden State, and that's going to be David. So David, there you go, man. We already got you ahead of last weekend. So congrats on the Steph Curry. We'll get that card in the mail tomorrow, and we'll do another box of this coming up next Monday night. So be on the lookout on the website, tennskinbreaks.com.